Check out these miracle socks podiatrists don't want you to know about. So I am a full-time nurse. I'm on my feet all day. I'm working a lot of hours right now, and my feet are really paying the price. I've been looking for something that could help me with that and help improve the quality of my life by just, helping my feet feel better and finding ways that can sustain my lifestyle as a nurse. These are my Happy Feet socks, and they're so amazing. They relieve my foot pain in minutes. Literally, I love these. They feel so good, and they're super easy to take care of. They're machine washable, and they are doctor recommended, and they've just made such a difference on my feet. So let me show you guys how to put these on. I just got home, and I can't wait to put these on. I've been using them for a couple weeks. So when I first started using them, I only put them in my toes like a little bit towards the top, just because, it took a while to stretch my feet out. It took a little bit, and it doesn't hurt. It's just like, you'll feel it, your feet, let them adapt. There's no rush. And so now they go all the way down, and it just feels so good. I'm loving these. So after being on my feet literally all day today, this is just what I've been looking forward to. My toes are so stretched out. I've only been using these a couple weeks, and I really have noticed a difference through the day. It's not just the shoes I wear, because I do wear good shoes, but it's just, standing and what I'm doing all day that make my feet, that are just tearing them up right now. So these have helped a lot. And I really love to come home and put these on and just unwind and relax. They feel amazing. So I absolutely love my Happy Feet. They have made such a difference. They've really made my feet happy. And I'm feeling so much better. I was actually having a lot of low back issues that have gone away since I've been using these. And I really recommend these for anyone who has, foot problems. If you're on your feet all day, or someone that works a lot or has that low back stuff from standing all day. These make a great gift for anybody that They are for both genders. They're for all ages. You've got to try them, and also get one for yourself. You're gonna love these.